the building. We're here at KROME Werks at Daytona Bike Week. We rode in from Georgia because, you know, as you well know, I am living and currently just moved to Georgia, Savannah, Georgia. Unbelievable. Love the place, love my new house, and I'm only exactly 3 hours away from Daytona. So I just got here today, and we're here with KROME Werks, getting ready to put my new pipes, slip-ons. I'm gonna show you which ones we're gonna put. So check it out. Wait till you guys see what the new pipes I'm gonna put on. So if anybody was interested, you know what I'm saying, definitely come out to KROME Werks, check it out. Great company, great sound. They will hook you up really, really well. Great sound, great sound, great sound. So we're gonna go real quick, and they're gonna install the pipes, and then we'll let you hear how it sounds. So if you're in Daytona, I will be here tomorrow as well around. So just hit up my Instagram, and we could do like a small little meet and greet. All right, see you in a few minutes.
Maybach music.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? 'Cause I just wanna...
All right, guys, we ran into a subscriber here as well. What's your name, buddy?
Jeremy,
Where you from?
Florida.
Florida, nice. What do you ride?
20 road glide.
Nice. Definitely a nice bike. So you're definitely a road glide kind of guy, huh?
Well,
Street glide?
I love a street glide too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love a street glide.
That's
too.
good, that's good. You watch videos a little bit too? Once in a while? Thank you for watching. All right, guys, they just brought my bike into the lift right there. They're about to take out the CFR pipes and put in the new KROME Werks. So I can't wait. The thing's gonna be a beast once it gets on the road, and the sound and everything. So they're gonna work on it, and then we'll go from there. Going on up, going on up. We're about to get rid of those CFRs and put in some new KROME Werks. All right, guys, so KROME Werks just finished the work here on the pipes. Definitely exactly what I wanted. Oh my God, these things sound amazing. Check it out. What's up, man? How you doing? How's it going? You want to be in the video? How's it going?
Good.
What's your name?
Richard.
Where you from?
Chicago. Chicago, originally Florida now.
Oh, beautiful.
But we're gliding, brother. We're gliding.
Definitely. You're gonna bike ride.
We're gliding.
Oh yeah? Nice.
We're gliding.
Yeah, I just put the new Chrome Works in right now.
Here.
Sounds crazy.
I noticed him first, and then I said,
Yeah,
hey,
he's
that's
my
you.
buddy, yeah. Thank you for watching.
Georgia. Yes.
Yeah, now I'm currently in Georgia right now and everything, and just moved there 2 days ago. Now it's a little 3-hour ride.
Yeah.
Man, so
Congratulations.
thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you. All right. So right now we're gonna rev it up and stuff, and G, give it a rev real quick. We got my boy G in the building, baby. Check it out. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Make sure you check out Chrome Werks. I think they're gonna be in Panama City in a couple days. Check out their website at KROME-WERKS.com. All right, we're signing off from here, Daytona. Beautiful work they did. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about the video and the new system from Chrome Werks. All right, peace.